Same in the continuation of our third chapter, problem number 10. Aarti and Bharti are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. This is the old ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 stood as follows. Bills payable 14,000, creditors 16,000. Capitals Aarti 50,000, Bharti 25,000, totally 75,000. Overall 1,05,000. Cash 15,000, buildings 25,000, patents 6,000, machinery 35,000, debtors 20,000, less PDD 600, that is 19,400, stock 4,600, overall 1,05,000. So now on 1/4/2017, Jayanti is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. Jayanti pays rupees 20,000 as capital. In this problem, Jayanti only to the extent of the capital amount she brought into the business. The goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees. Goodwill is raised in the business. She is not brought into the business. Newly admitted partner not brought the goodwill. Here created in the business only. Goodwill should not remain in the books. Goodwill should not remain in the books. What the goodwill is created in the firm, that should be written off to all the partners. Here not only two partners, it is not the withdrawal, that is written off. So let us see how it will be. Buildings are appreciated by 5,000 rupees. Machinery depreciated by 20%. PDD is increased rupees 1,000. So to machinery account, say 35,000 into 20/100, that is 7,000. To PDD directly 1,000. By building given is 5,000. So now by partners capital account, Aarti, Bharti, 8,000 minus 5,000, that is 3,000 into 3/5 into 2/5. 1,800, 1,200, that is 3,000. Total both the columns 8,000 and 8,000. Total both the columns 8,000 and 8,000. Say machinery account 35,000 into 20/100, 20%. 20%, that is 7,000. PDD 1,000. PDD is 1,000. These two are the losses. And building, only building value is 5,000. That is an income increased by 5,000. That is appreciated by 5,000. That is value is increased. So 8,000 minus 5,000. 3,000 is the value. That 3,000 is bifurcated to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. That is 3:2. So 3,000 into 3/5. 2,000 into 2/5, 3,000 into 2/5, 3,000 into 3/5, that is 1,800 and 1,200 respectively. Now all partners capital account. All partners capital account, particulars, Aarti, Bharati, and Jayanti. Particulars, Aarti, Bharati, Jayanti. So same, by balance brought down the capital balances of the old partners. By balance brought down 50,000, 25,000. Goodwill, only goodwill amount that is created by goodwill account 20,000 in old ratio 3:2. Goodwill should be given in the old ratio, that is 12,000, 8,000. Next, to revaluation account. Loss, that is 1,800, 1,200 dash. Next, goodwill should not remain in the books. So goodwill account written off, not withdrawn. It is written off. WRITTEN, written off. OFF, written off. That is 20,000 to all the partners. 5:3:2. That is 10,000. 20,000 into 5/10. 10,000. 20,000 into 3/6. 3/10. 6,000. 20,000 into 2/10. That is 4,000. Now, to balance carried down. Here, by cash account, cash brought into the business by the newly admitted partner, that is 20,000. Here 20,000. Here 33,000. Here 62,000. 62,000 minus 11,800. 50,000. 50,200. Here 33,000 minus 7,000. 200. That is 800. 25,800. Here 4. 20,000 minus 4,000. 16,000. Overall 62,000. Here 33,000. Here 20,000. By balance brought down 50,200, 25,800, 16,000. 16,000. This is the new capitals for the new balance sheet. See, here is the information goodwill. 20,000 is raised in the business. It is not brought. So, bifurcated according to their old profit sharing ratio. Goodwill, how much the work effort is done. For that, 20,000 is created according to old profit sharing ratio. We distributed to the old partners. That is 12,000 and 8,000. How? 20,000 into 3/5, 20,000 into 2/5. that is 12,000 and 8,000. Now, because of the admission, he must lose a certain amount, that is 4,000. So, for the 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000, they should bring to manage the goodwill. New balance sheet. After admission, liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Say here, first one is cash, 15,000, and JNT capital, only capital brought, not the goodwill, 20,000, nothing else, 35,000 in the outer column. Next, buildings. Buildings is 25,000. And revaluation, 5,000. 30,000 in the outer column. Patents, no adjustments. Patents 6,000. Patents, no adjustments, 6,000. Machinery, 20% reduction. Depreciation is there, 35,000. Less 20%, 7,000. 28,000 in the outer column. Debtors, totally 20,000 is there. Less old plus new, that is 600 plus 1,000. 1,600. That is 18,400. Stock, 4,600. Coming to the liability side, bills payable. Bills payable is there. That bills payable, no adjustment, directly right, 14,000. Creditors, 16,000. Next, capitals are there. Aarti, Bharati, Jayanti, 50,200, 25,800, 16,000, 92,000. Here 2,000, carry 1,22,000, 1,22,000, 1,22,000, 1,22,000. In this problem, only goodwill is created in the firm only and should not be shown in the books. It means we should return off to all the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. First, goodwill, when it is created in the firm, we should distribute according to their old profit sharing ratio to the old partners, and when there is a clear cut information not to shown in the books, in such circumstances, according to the new profit sharing ratio, we should record on the debit side of the partner's capital account and that amount should be distributed to all the partners, including the new partner. In this problem, there is a loss. Revaluation loss is there. That loss will be borne by the old partners, and that loss, revaluation loss, is not at all concerned to the newly admitted partner. Say, machinery account 35,000 is there, 20% depreciation 7,000 on the debit side. PDD increased by 1,000. Not only 600 is not sufficient. For that, once again 1,000 is created. And buildings are there. Amount is given. 5,000 is appreciated. So, debit side is 8,000 minus credit side is 5,000. 3,000 is the revaluation loss. That loss will be borne by the two old partners, Aarti and Bharati, in 3:2 ratio respectively. So that amounts to rupees. Aarti should suffer from 1,800 and Bharati suffer from 1,200 as a loss. Total both the columns 8,000, 8,000. And by balance brought down, that is the capital balance which is available on the liability side of the opening balance sheet, that is 50,000 and 25,000 of the old partners. Goodwill is created in the firm only, that is 20,000. That 20,000 is given to the old partners in 3:2 ratio, that is 20,000 into 3/5 and 20,000 into 2/5 to Bharati, Aarti and Bharati, and cash brought into the business by the newly admitted partner rupees 20,000. Coming to the asset side of the partner's capital account, revaluation account, that is revaluation loss only to the extent of the old partners, and goodwill written off, that is 20,000 in new ratio. When we want to return off in the admission of a partner, then only we have to consider the new profit sharing ratio. For that purpose, he has given new profit sharing ratio in the problem. 20,000 into 5/10, 20,000 into 3/10, 20,000 into 2/10, 10,000, 6,000, 4,000, including the new partner. And credit side minus debit side, we will get 50,200 capital of Aarti, 25,800 capital of Bharati, and 16,000 capital of Jayanti to the new firm. Like that, new balance sheet. Liability side, bills payable 14,000, creditors 16,000 as usual. Capital, just we find out with the help of the all partners capital account. That is Aarti 50,200, Bharati 25,800, Jayanti 16,000. Totally the capital of the new firm is 92,000. Coming to the cash, 15,000. Add Jayanti's capital. Goodwill should not be added here because not brought any single pie, only created in the books. Only created in the books. For that purpose, no need to add to the cash. Cash not brought from the outside. 15,000 plus 20,000, 35,000 is the cash available in the firm. Buildings appreciated by 5,000, that is 25,000 plus 5,000, 30,000. Patents, no adjustments, directly 6,000 in the outer column. Machinery 35,000 is there, less 20% depreciation, that is 35,000 into 20 by 100, that is 7,000. 35,000 minus 7,000, that is 28,000 in the outer column. Debtors, old 600 plus new 1,000, totally 600 is there. So debtors 20,000 minus old and new PDD 1,600, 18,400. Stock no adjustment 4,600. Total both the columns 1,22,000, 1,22,000. This is the 10th problem, page number 40.